Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text reveal animation on Filmora. By using this, you can create a professional looking text reveal animation in Filmora by combining masking and keyframes. This lets your text appear dynamically and perfect for YouTube vloggers intro. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First, you have to open the Filmora video editor. So import the video and I have to drag it into a timeline. So next, you have to add the title. I am using for the default title, Trekking Man, glow effect, and the fonts should be bold. Okay, perfect. So here we have to use for this. Then you have to slightly fine. Only the man goes up. Properly used for here. Okay, fine. The text needs to adjust for the man's moving path. The both layer needs to be hide. First you have to copy this video, then you have to lock the frame, then you have to place the another video frame. Then you have to add here another video timeline. So here the text needs to be start. Here we have to place this. Then go to mask, then you have to choose the linear mask. Then you have to adjust the linear mask to starting of the text. That's it. So now the text needs to be start. So here we have to adjust the frame, the blur strength to be 1 and the position adjust here. That's it. Once adjust the position, you have to click on the add keyframes. That's it. Then you have to slightly move for the one frame. Here you need to adjust. Then you have to add the keyframe. After the change the value, you have to hit enter. The keyframe will be added. Then you have to adjust the keyframes. Here you have to add -414. That's it. Adjust this. No, this will be move for faster, so you have to increase the size. So we have to move the another keyframes. Here you have to add So now I have completed the all keyframes, so we have to check it out. That's it. So you have to adjust if you need more professional. So if you need text needs to be displayed where you need, you can adjust here. Then you have to check out the preview. That's it. So in this way you can create the text reveal animation on Filmora. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.